Shakalaka Boom Boom was kind of the midpoint of my career. I started back in '94. So I started with advertisements, then moved on to television, then some films, then theater, then this and that. Now some digital, this that. So '94 may we just generally my mom just took me and my sister to some random audition just like that to see. And when we went there, of course, because we were kind of cute kids, so they just said, "Why don't you also audition?" So my mom said, "Okay, fine, let them go." And we were playing there, and then my sister got selected, and I wasn't selected. So then finally on the day of the shoot, my sister said that no, if my brother is not doing it, then I don't want to do it. So that's how I got in. So it's like I've never like yeah, I've been pushed into it. Somebody from Tony Uncle's office called my mom for like said that okay, there's a show, this is serial and all, and my mom was not at all interested. She said no, no, we are not coming and all. Then finally somebody happened to like he only happened to mention that listen, we are the makers of Banegi Apni Baat, so you please come. So my mom said okay, chalo, let's go, we'll try. And my mom took us, and I went there and I didn't do anything. I was chilling. I was always a snobbish kind of a child and a little reserved. So I refused to like kind of cooperate at all. And then I was rejected. And they said that no, no, we can't. This boy is not. He's looking very cute, but he's not doing anything. How would he do a television show? So then when we were just walking out, then Kavita Kapoor was another actor. I'm sure you would know her. She was in Yes Boss. You might know her from Yes Boss, Meera from Yes Boss. So she was just walking in, and we had done a couple of ads together. And she knew how I was in front of the camera, although I don't do anything behind the camera, but in front of the camera, how I am. So she explained that no, listen, I'm telling you, this boy, you just take him. Once you take him, you will realize that he is great in front of the camera. But they did not believe. They said, okay, fine, what we'll do is we'll take him for Banegi Apni Baat. We'll try him for 5, 6, 7 episodes and we'll see. And then they took me for Banegi Apni Baat, and then Banegi Apni Baat happened. And then, of course, once I go on set and all, so I was always naughty. And I used to have a lot of fun because क्या होता है ना कि घर पे है तो मम्मी है, ट्यूशन टीचर है, बुक्स है, किताब है. सेट पे जब तो कुछ नहीं है. So my masti started, and then that's how they realized that oh fine, this guy can, I mean, he's okay, we can take him, and then that's how Just Mohabbat happened. So in my life, I always got a push, first from my sister, then from Kavita auntie. Shakalaka Boom Boom was, I think, when I was just getting into college. And in those days, no, actually, I was out of that age of watching kids' shows. So I did not know about Shakalaka Boom Boom at all. And I did not know what kind of a big hit it already was. Even before I came in, it was already a big hit. तो मेरे को तो पता ही नहीं था और इनफैक्ट इवन शूट करते वक्त मैं तो नहीं देखता था बट धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ कि ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज ऑलवेज नोन आई वाज ऑलवेज इवन इन माय कॉलेज इफ आई वेंट पीपल वुड ऑलवेज लुक एट मी कम अप टू मी आस्क फॉर व्हाटएवर आस्क फॉर अ कन्वर्सेशन और समथिंग उस टाइम पे तो फोन्स नहीं थे फोन्स वर जस्ट कमिंग इन कैमरा फोन्स वर जस्ट कमिंग इन सो आई वाज ऑलवेज काइंड ऑफ फेमस एंड नोन बट after I started doing Shakalaka Boom Boom, I noticed a lot more people kind of coming and suddenly there was a little bit of a shift. I thought that अरे ये क्या हो रहा है ये तो suddenly मुझे तो मतलब मैं अगर बाहर निकलूँ तो शायद 10 लोग पहचानेंगे अभी 100 लोग पहचान रहे और कैसा and then it of course it came to a point where it was very difficult for me to go to a mall and especially as to go to like schools for events and all schools and colleges for like guest appearances and all that. That was already very tough for me because of Just Mohabbat and then I did one film called Janwar that also did pretty well. So with all of that, it was already quite I love you and this and that. A lot of things I was doing. But with Shakalaka Boom Boom, it kind of I couldn't do it anymore. I couldn't go. Like now, if I have to go, then they will have to make sure that there are at least 5-7 people around me. Otherwise, I can't go. So yeah, that time really did not strike in any different way or anything like that. But retrospectively, now when I kind of look back at it, or even a little later, and that time only when I look back at it, of course you do feel very good because you're part of something that so many people are watching, and not only watching, so many people are loving. And especially my character, because it was kind of a magical kind of a character came out of the pencil, so people were actually quite fond, and they were crazy about it. So of course, and even now, I still do get people who come up to me asking me about Shakalaka Boom Boom. Rarely, sometimes they'll say Jasma, but sometimes they'll say Kambala, but Shakalaka Boom Boom, so they will say only. So yeah, it feels very good, and I feel blessed that I was a part of something so big. So Glenn and Ankush directed me for another show called Happy Go Lucky, which was on Star One. They had come in only for, I think, 2 or 3 episodes. And Happy Go Lucky generally was a kind of a show where almost every 2 3 episodes we had a new director. So that's when Glenn and Ankush came in the picture. But Shakalaka was never Glenn and Ankush. Lot of differences. I think Z was the first channel that came in, and Z had that Z horror show and Tara and all that. And Campus, I think, was Bunny Kapni Baat was on Z, and then came in Sony and Star Plus. I think they both came together. I'm not really sure. I think Star came first, then Sony came. But I started my career with kind of Sony only entering. So Doordarshan era I have not seen. But even when like when we were doing Just Mohabbat and when we were doing Bunny Kapni Baat, these are all weekly shows. They will come once a week, and they will come on that one single time. And if you miss it, then good luck to you to see the repeat, because the repeats are at 3 in the morning or 7 in the morning, or some godforsaken time. So that was the time when people used to wait. People had that much patience. Okay, we saw one episode today, now we'll wait for 1 week to watch what happens next. And people were more invested, and they were more kind of they felt for you more. So that was the era where I started. Also in the shooting side, if you see, because we were only liable to put out one episode every week, so shooting was much more relaxed, much more quality. We went on set, we aram se we did 2 or 3 or 5 scenes a day, and we made sure that we did them well. If somebody didn't get the line, then we would do the whole thing again. We would do so many rehearsals. We would make sure that everybody's got their lines, everybody's got their emotion. We make sure the timing is right. So all that used to happen when I was doing Bunny Kapni Baat, Just Mohabbat, I Love You, this that. And then suddenly then Sunday Fundy Fox I did, and after Sunday Fundy Fox, Fox Kids, and then I did Shakalaka. So Shakalaka was pretty much the first daily soap that I did. उसके पहले everything was weekly, and Shakalaka के time पे daily was just starting to kind of sprout कि रोज एक एपिसोड दिखाएंगे. तो ये शुरू नया नया, और ऑब्वियसली अभी कुछ नया होगा तो वो नया प्रोसेस सेट होने में, उसमें सबका सबका कंट्रीब्यूशन होने में, सबकी एडजस्टमेंट होने में टाइम लगता है. तो वो शाकलाका बूम बूम का टाइम वो टाइम था जब ये सब सेट हो रहा था. तो किसी को भी नहीं पता था कि दिन में एक एपिसोड शूट कैसे करना है, अरे कैसे लिखना है, कैसे वो टेलीकास्ट होगा, क्या होगा. तो किसी को, एवरीबॉडी वाज ट्राइंग टू फिगर आउट, एंड इट वाज केओटिक. मतलब वो जो हम किस्से सुनते हैं ना, जैसे बहुत सारे फेमसली बॉलीवुड इनफेमस है, बॉलीवुड नहीं बट एटलीस्ट हमारी टीवी इंडस्ट्री तो इनफेमस है इसके लिए कि अरे 18-18 20-20 घंटे शूट करते हैं. तो ये सब उस टाइम की बात है जब सब लोग ये समझ रहे थे कि बॉस के ये शूट किया कैसे जाएगा. पहले हम समझे कि साला अगर दिन में 20 मिनट 18 मिनट का फुटेज निकालना है तो वो कैसे निकलेगा. तो उस टाइम की ये बातें हैं जब इवन क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी, कहानी घर की, ये सब जस्ट शुरू हो रहा था. And everybody was trying to figure out that one episode a day, how to shoot. So you would go in the morning and जाते ही मतलब no time to coffee, you can't even have a coffee, you just go quickly change, go to set, scene अभी राइटर लिख रहा है, राइटर सर ये ले लो लाइन, लाइन फटाफट याद करो. उसमें कोई एक्टर को ये लाइन ही नहीं याद होती है तो 50 रीटेक हो रहे. और दिन में जहां हम 5 सीन शूट करते थे उसके बदले हम शूट करने लगे 12 13 17 सीन्स, 17 सीन्स. So that quality kind of went down, stress went up, and everything became much faster. So that's the shift. Basically, main shift happened in quality, and then slowly people learned. that okay, this is how we shoot, this is what we do, so we should shoot maybe 2 days in advance. Oh, we should do these closes like this, these closes like that. We should not waste time on doing big masters and doing 50 retakes and 500 rehearsals. We should give them the script, they will read it, they will come prepared, everybody will be प्रोफेशनल ऑन सेट और सब ऐसे करेंगे तो फटाफट फटाफट. तो धीरे धीरे अब क्या हो गया ना, अब सबको पता है कि डेली अगर एक एपिसोड जाना है एयर पे तो उसको शूट कैसे किया जाता है. पहले वो पता ही नहीं था. तो ये एरा भी मैंने देखा है जब ये सब सेट हो गया मामला, और इसमें भी मैंने काम किया. अभी वही है, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स यू नो यू आर स्टिल देयर, यू स्टिल हैव योर 10-12 hours of shoot, but things are more relaxed. You have the script in the morning when you go, they will give you, or a night before they will give you. You have time to read your lines, you have time to prepare, and you can work on your performance. And then when you go on set, then you can have 2-3 rehearsals because they have a bank of 3-4 episodes, so they know that okay, this is how. So now this is the time where daily has become what do you say, like the prevalent. तो अभी सबको पता है. So 3 different styles. And then again films, when I was doing films was absolutely different because film में तो दिन में एक सीन भी नहीं होता था. मतलब 2 दिन पूरा शूट की रिहर्सल, थर्ड डे जाके वो एक सीन शूट होता था और इतने अच्छे से हर एक चीज के, मतलब मेरी पलकें भी झपक रही है तो उसका भी एक क्लोज लगेगा. और so it was so tasteful. Filmmaking was so tasteful. And so I've seen all these different styles of shooting and acting and stuff. What happened is Kambala Investigation Agency was a very big show. It was not a show owned by any production house. It was a show that was the intellectual property of Turner International. So Turner International is the parent company of Pogo and a few others, Nickelodeon, Pogo, ये सब channels की जो parent company है वो. So it was a very big show. Now what happens now that generally when these shows are owned by the parent companies who are sitting in Singapore or in US or some other first world country like that, what happens is their vision is very grand. Now that to execute, maybe in Singapore, maybe in US, because of the kind of processes and technologies and things that they have, is fine, is manageable, they can do it. But when it comes here, to get that kind of technology, to get that kind of everything, the whole process, it becomes extremely expensive. Kambala Investigation Agency, it aired and it became the number 2 show, and it stayed the number 2 show. First was Mad, Pogo. On Pogo, first number 1 was Mad, that art and craft show, and the number 2, since the time CIA came, since the first week, it was number 2, and it stayed number 2 till it shut down. And nobody wanted to shut it down, but it was just not what do you say, financially viable. So that's why they had to let it go. Because I will tell you why. Because we had 3 episodes every week, and one story would be spanned out in 3 episodes. So the crime would happen in the first episode and it would get solved by the 3rd episode. 1 hour episodes, 3 episodes. That makes it how many hours? 3 hours. तो एक्चुअली वो हम लोग 3 घंटे की पिक्चर ही शूट कर रहे थे. हर हफ्ते के लिए 3 घंटे की एक पिक्चर हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे. So it was treated also like that, and that's why you see even today, if you pick up any episode of Kambala Investigation, you will see that the quality of that show, the visuals to the performances to the storyline, it is cinematic. So it was always treated like that. Now, why I don't think it should ever be a film is because you see, when it's in this series format, it has the scope to go beyond and to touch many aspects and many different stories. Now, when you bring it into a film, then we can do only one story. So it doesn't work. And especially if you see, these crime kind of, like if you see even Crime Patrol or Southern India. So this is a good format. A series, because, there is so much of things that you want to spread awareness about, or you want to talk about, or you want to just depict. So that, I think, the film format takes away from that. So that's why it's perfect in a series format. Television still has its power, cause if you talk about India is there's a huge part of India which is still rural. So television has the penetration in the rural areas, and the kind of content that is being produced on OTT and that is being produced on television is very different. And television still caters to that rural part of India, and that's where television always has. If you see any show, except for before क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी and कहानी घर घर की, उसके पहले जो टेलीविजन का कंटेंट था ना, that was urban, and they were targeting the you know big cities, metro cities. Why? Because television was still not there in the रूरल एरियाज. अभी तक वो पहुंचा नहीं था, धीरे धीरे करके पहुंच रहा था. क्या हुआ 90s 90s 90 92 93 95 तक आते आते क्या हुआ ना कि टेलीविजन इतना सस्ता हो गया कि गांव में भी लोग लेने लग गए. तो 95 96 के बाद 2000 तक क्या हुआ, टेलीविजन का पूरा पेनिट्रेशन रूरल में पहुंच गया. तो अब जब वो रूरल में पहुंच गया ना, तो एकता कपूर जी जो है, उन्होंने बहुत ही, आई वुड से, इट वाज अ जीनियस, क्या बोलते हैं, उनका इंस्टिंक्ट या जो भी उनका रिसर्च था. दिस इज अ गैप दैट शी फिल्ड, दैट शी सॉ इन द मार्केट, दैट दिस इज वेयर टेलीविजन हैज रीच्ड नाउ. एंड एक्चुअली दीज गाइज हु आर ट्राइंग टू सेल टू Bombay has only 100 people. But if we go to Satara, this, that, all that, तो वहां पे हर गांव में 100 लोग. तो why are they not targeting all the 100 Bombays, and why are they only targeting only one single Bombay? So that's what she targeted. And from there, it was such a hit strategy that the whole face of television changed. And now if you see, television generally caters to that segment only, because that's the segment that watches television. Now same thing is happening with web का भी क्या है कि अभी हाई स्पीड इंटरनेट ये वो सब, ऑफ कोर्स जियो के आने के बाद बहुत कुछ बदला है, बट स्टिल इट इज स्टिल अ मोर अर्बन थिंग. सो OTT is still catering to this audience. When that penetration is there, and when finally technology and the everything allows for it, I'm sure web also will have one जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि एक सोनी पे अर्बन शोज आते हैं, स्टार पे रूरल टाइप के शोज आते हैं, या जी पे ये आता है, वैसे OTT के भी वैसे सेगमेंट्स बनेंगे. एंड व्हाई OTT इज मोर दिस थिंग, क्योंकि क्या है ना, उसमें कोई टाइम टेबल नहीं है. यू कैन वॉच इट एट योर ओन टाइम, यू कैन पॉज इट, यू कैन रिवाइंड इट, यू कैन फास्ट फॉरवर्ड इट. गाना आ रहा है, नहीं देखना है, अरे हटाओ, नहीं देखना है मुझे गाना, आगे करो. सो OTT इज वेरी लिबरेटिंग लाइक दैट. एक बार, मतलब मुझे याद है, हम लोग जब एक दूसरे से का शूट करते थे, एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, इज अ शो दैट वी डिड ऑन स्टार प्लस, वेयर मी एंड वाइफ करंट वाइफ वी मेट. एंड क्या हुआ ना कि उस टाइम पे आई थिंक वाज 2008-9, आई डोंट रियली रिमेंबर व्हिच ईयर दिस वाज, बट इंटरनेट वाज जस्ट स्टार्टिंग टू बिकम वेरी everybody started to have it, and speeds were going up. Because I remember earlier जब computers और internet नया आया था, तो my father had bought me a computer and we had got an internet connection, and with that we got a long bill of the telephone because I was using it, and I wanted to download one song called Desert Rose by Sting. वो it was one of my कि oh wow what a song. तो मैंने सोचा चल यार, मैंने तभी सुना था, किसी ने बोला अरे यार कुछ नया आया, Napster टाइप है, स्कूल में किसी ने बोला, तो मैंने बोला ओके मैं ट्राई करता हूँ. Napster डाउनलोड किया, फिर वो मैंने देखा उसमें है डेजर्ट रोज गाना है, मैंने बोला मेरा काम बन गया. तो मैंने वो डाउनलोड किया और मैं सोचा अभी मैं बस ये डाउनलोड करके पूरा दिन सुनूंगा. और सुबह मैंने डाउनलोड में डाला, मेरे को 9 घंटे लगे. It took me 9 hours to download that one song. So during the time of moving on from there, internet had reached a place where I could open YouTube and at a quality of 240 or 360. 480 पे गया तो अटक जाता था, लेकिन 240 या 360 पे चलता था. मतलब एटलीस्ट इतना था कि ज्यादा ब्रेक नहीं होता था. 45 to 50 सेकेंड्स में शायद एक बार ऐसे बफर होगा, उसके बाद चलता था. तो वो जब मैंने पहली बार देखा ना, तो मैं और मतलब आई हैड स्टार्टेड वाचिंग इट। और एक दिन तन्वी ऐसे ही बोली, क्या कर रहा है तू, पागल है क्या, व्हाट आर यू वाचिंग? आई सेड दिस इज गोना बी द फ्यूचर, this is going to be the future. I don't have to wait for, what I do is, even if my internet is not permitting, no, I pause this video, and when I pause it, no, it finishes downloading, then I play, but I can watch it on my terms. I can skip all the advertisements बीच में। तभी सब पायरेटेड कंटेंट आता था यूट्यूब पे। ये जो जी सब क्या करते थे ना, वो टीवी को रिकॉर्ड करके फिर वो एपिसोड यूट्यूब पे डालते थे। यूट्यूब कॉपीराइट भी नहीं करता था, क्योंकि यूट्यूब इतना नया नया था खुद कि उनको भी नहीं पता था कि अच्छा ये कॉपीराइटेड मटेरियल, तो उसको, तो वैसे करके मैं, वो फराह खान जी का एक शो आता था, कुछ रियलिटी शो था, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम। तो वो जनरली क्या होता था कि मैं शूट पे होता था, जब वो आता था तो आई डिडंट हैव टाइम टू वॉच इट, बट मुझे, मैंने एक आध बार देखा था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था। तो मैंने साला ये शो मैं कैसे देखूं, तो मैंने यूट्यूब पे सर्च किया तो मेरे को मिल गया। तो मैं वो यूट्यूब पे ऐसे पॉज कर करके उसको, पॉज मैं आता था, फिर वो चालू करता था, उसको पॉज करके रख देता था, और फिर मैं बाहर जाके जो भी अपना कॉफी चाय या कुछ खाना वाना खा के वापस आता था, तब तक वो पूरा डाउनलोड हो जाता था। तभी यूट्यूब का भी ऐसे था ना, कि अभी कैसे है कि इफ यू पॉज देन इट विल नॉट डाउनलोड द होल थिंग, बट तभी यूट्यूब का भी ऐसा था कि वो पूरा डाउनलोड हो जाता था। देयर वाज नो लिमिट उसमें, यूट्यूब डिडंट नो वेयर टू ड्रॉ द लाइन, सो दैट होल एपिसोड वुड डाउनलोड, और फिर मैं आराम से आके बैठ के देखता था। सो आई थिंक ऑफ कोर्स टीवी पे उसका इम्पैक्ट तो पड़ेगा ही, बट दिस इज द वे ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, यू नो, आउट विद द ओल्ड, इन विद द न्यू, you have to move with the times, cause you know, humans have to progress. Not really, I don't agree that Star Plus is losing its value. I maybe, you know, कि हम नहीं देखते शायद, बट उन सब का, ये इतनी बड़ी बड़ी चैनल्स है ना, कि अगर इनका कंटेंट नहीं चलेगा ना, तो इनको एक हफ्ते में बोरिया बिस्तरा बंद करके जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इनके इतने मैसिव एक्सपेंसेस और सब है। तो ऐसा हमको लगता है, क्योंकि हम नहीं देखते, तो हमको शायद लगता है कि अच्छा ये नहीं चल रहा है, बट आई एम श्योर स्टार आल्सो हैज इट्स ओन ऑडियंस, सोनी हैज इट्स ओन ऑडियंस, कलर्स हैज इट्स ओन ऑडियंस, बाकी कौन सी है, मुझे जी है शायद, तो सबका अपना अपना है, तो सब चलते हैं। बट ऑफ कोर्स ओटीटी के आने से सबका सबका कलेक्टिवली कम हुआ है, सो व्यूअरशिप हैज गॉन लिटिल बिट फ्रॉम टीवी टू, इट्स ट्रांजिशनिंग नाउ। तो ये है Ransinge. Yeah, I've worked with Rajesh Ransinge. I've done CIA also with him. Adalat also maybe once twice. He is a fun person. So I really like him. हमने तो बहुत मजे किए सेट पे। क्या है ना, कंबाला के टाइम पे also what was it कि हम लोग भी तो बच्चे ही थे ना, हम लोग तो मुश्किल से 20-22 साल के थे यार। तो हम लोग बहुत मस्ती करते थे। और राजेश जी भी कैसे है ना, कि वो थोड़ा, उनका वो है कि काम नहीं, काम काम के टाइम पे मस्ती नहीं, लेकिन काम खत्म करके है ना, उनको भी मस्ती का बहुत शौक है। तो हमने बहुत सेट पे एक बार वो कुछ तो हुआ था, कुछ बात हुई, तो फिर हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि नहीं बॉस, आज तो हमको सेट पे शूटिंग के बाद हमको कुछ, आई थिंक बटेर या कुछ था, तो बोला कि नहीं ये तो पकाना ही पड़ेगा, आज तो हमको खाना ही। तो हम लोग सबने बैठ के पार्टी की, राजेश सर के साथ बहुत मजा किया हमने। So nothing off the top of my head, but we really had a lot of fun together. मतलब I don't think कि ऐसे meet नहीं हुआ है, but yeah, we have been shooting in the same premises, maybe for the same show also, but never really interacted with him one on one because I never got that chance. But he's a fabulous actor, and of course Jo Jeeta se even before that, but Jo Jeeta is one of his landmark performances. I did few episodes for Shush Ko Ye also. So there was a time when Ekta Kapoor was just new, and Ekta and her mother Shobna or Shobha, I'm not sure, they used to sit in the garage of their bungalow, and नीचे मतलब बंगलो में एंटर करके फिर वो स्लोप उतर के नीचे जाके, फिर वो छोटा सा एक गराज था, छोटा सा नहीं था, गराज था अच्छा खासा, उसमें एक छोटा सा ऑफिस उन्होंने बनाया था, और हम तब जाके मिले थे उनको। दे वांटेड टू कास्ट मी फॉर हम्पाच ऑनगोइंग, एंड देयर वाज नथिंग ऐसा कुछ। आई वाज डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क दैट टाइम, एंड आई हैड माय ओन यू नो ब्रांड वैल्यू एंड एवरीथिंग, सो माय मॉम वाज अ लिटिल अपोज्ड कि व्हाई शुड ही कम फॉर you know, one episode or two. Then anyway they kind of convinced us, and we did, like, I think we went, and we kind of I don't know if we shot or we didn't shoot, and we came out, I don't remember that, but yeah, it was, so that was the first experience with Ekta, was Hampach. Then they were calling me for some mytho show that they were making, but then finally we didn't kind of do it. After that, a long time later, then Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi mein one new family was entering, where Amit Mistry was playing my father, and me and Amit Mistry, and I don't remember who my mother was, but Amit Mistry was the father, and me. So we entered in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. We did about I think 25 to 30 episodes, something like that. And immediately after that, I got busy with Kambala and then Yahan Ke Hum Sikandar and all. So yeah, so three and fourth was बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं. So हम पांच, क्योंकि and बड़े अच्छे लगते. Three. So 3 times I worked with Balaji. It's like, asking somebody that it's a tough question, but yeah, I do like even with all its frenzy and drama, I still like television more, cause television is like, because what happens is, when you don't have to part, like you go, then your show is on for 2-3 years, so you make friends with everybody. Now everybody, that whole group, what happens in films, that you go in एक आध महीने में ना तुम्हारी दोस्ती बनती है, तो 1-1.5 महीने में यू स्टार्ट बिकमिंग फ्रेंड्स, एंड यू से चल ना यार कॉफी पे चलते हैं यार, अच्छा चल यार आज दारू पीने बैठते हैं यार, जो भी, तो धीरे धीरे है ना वो दोस्ती बनती है, और फिर ना वो पॉइंट आता है कि अरे यार मजा आ गया, अब तो हम पार्टी करेंगे साथ में, और जैसे ही वो टाइम आता है ना तब बोलते हैं भाई खत्म, पैकअप, चलो सब घर तो ऐसा लगता है कि अरे यार अभी तो हम दोस्त बने थे सब, अभी ये फिल्म खत्म हो गई, अभी तो सवाल ही नहीं है कि कोई टच में रहेगा. हाँ, फिर होता है 1-आध महीना, उसके बाद ना फिल्म की शूट खत्म होती है, फिर 1-आध महीना सब अरे यार मिलते यार, करते कुछ करते, उसके बाद सब गायब. So I feel bad for that part, but of course if you see as a craft, I like, because you get more time to work on your character, and you get a good perspective of the story, because you know the start and end, and you know the journey of your character. So in that sense, I feel films are more easier also to perform, because there's just you have everything on pen and paper, and you have all the time that you need. If you can't get your line right, they will do it 5 days, but you'll get it right. In television is very different. In television is do or die. Boss, मतलब ऐसा है ना कि मतलब मेरी कुछ लाइन है, और लाइन बोलते बोलते मैं लाइन भूल गया, तो बाजू वाला बोल देगा कहीं आप ये तो नहीं कहना चाह रहे, वो लाइन उसकी हो गई अब. तो टेलीविजन इज एकदम ऐसे, तो उसका क्या है ना, वो जो है ना, वो मुझे बहुत मजा आता है कि जाओ और मतलब 10-15 मिनट है बॉस, एक टेक मिलेगा, एक टेक, हमको तो मिल जाते हैं ठीक, बट जनरली आई एम सेइंग कि वो एक होता है ना कि यार टेलीकास्ट तो फटाफट वो इंस्टेंटली स्पॉन्टेनियसली तुम क्या परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. इट्स लाइक अ चैलेंज विद योरसेल्फ दैट what can I add, how much can I add, I have this much time, in this much time what can I do? So in that sense I like television more, but of course when you do a film, then you get to go much more deeper. But it was a lot of fun. क्या हुआ था ना कि शाकालाका बूम बूम के टाइम पे ये सब है ना बच्चे थे, Kinshuk and Hansika and Tito, what's his name, Frank and Madhur and all these people, they were kids. They were 10, 12, 8, 10, 12, like that. And I was 17, 18. तो मैं क्या था ना, ये बच्चों की आपस में बहुत लड़ाई थी, बट मेरे सब दोस्त थे, क्योंकि मैं सबके लिए भैया था. तो जब भैया के पास आते तो वो भी दोस्त बन जाते थे. तो जैसे अगर ए और बी एक दूसरे के साथ बात नहीं कर रहे ना, पर वो भैया के पास आते ना, तो एक दूसरे से बात करने लग जाते. तो इन दैट सेंस इन शाकलाका के टाइम पे आई वाज अ लिटिल व्हाट डू यू से, थोड़ा सा आई वाज द एल्डेस्ट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर, बारिंग द पेरेंट्स एंड ऑल. तो इट वाज अ फन एक्सपीरियंस, बहुत मजा आता था, क्योंकि बच्चों के साथ जो शरारतें करने में मजा आता है, वो बहुत ही मजा आता है. Not particularly. There's 1-2 things that I'm kind of working on, but I'm not at liberty to talk about them anyway. But nothing in the horror genre or anything like that. Some comedy I'm kind of working on. So yeah, nothing horror genre like that. I have experimented a lot. मतलब, you know, even like if you say CID में, I played a schizophrenic or psycho or things like that. I've done so many of these. There was one show called I forgot the name यार. उसमें I was playing this child with some disability. Long time back on Sub TV. Sub TV used to make नॉन कॉमेडी शोज. ये उस टाइम की बात है जब सब टीवी, सो हम लोग का शो और 2-3 और शो के साथ सब टीवी लॉन्च हुआ था. वन ऑफ सब टीवीज लॉन्च शोज. So those kind of things, and also then Shakalaka and Sonpari and Jasmine, such different, full different. बड़े अच्छे लगते, was so different again. And CIA was completely, and CIA के टाइम पे है ना, मैं CIA और यहाँ के हम सिकंदर, ये दो शोज साथ में करता था. CIA में I was playing Ishan, who was this geek, intelligent, to the point fellow. He did not waste time in sweet talking or anything. Be at the point. Boss, ये है, ये I can show you, I can prove this to you. So Ishan was like that. And on the other hand, I was doing यहाँ के हम सिकंदर. मैं सुबह जाता था CIA के शूट पे, वहां से खत्म करके शाम को मैं YKHS के सेट पे पहुंचता था. और उसका कैरेक्टर एकदम ये था, यो आई एम एडी, ऐसा था. So switch between that, but it was so much fun. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ये लोग सब बोलते थे यार तू कैसे कर लेता है, तू अब भी उधर से आया है और तू अभी यहाँ से ये कर रहा है, और तू इतना, मतलब तू सोएगा नहीं क्या? तो हाँ, मैं सो रहा हूँ ना, मेरे को टाइम मिलेगा तो मैं अभी सेट पे जाके, मैं अभी रूम में जाके सो जाऊंगा. तो मुझे भी बहुत मजा आता था, और सबको, मतलब वी हैड अ लॉट ऑफ फन. सो दोस आर सम ऑफ माय गुड टाइम्स. ये मैं क्या मैसेज दूँ, वो सब मारेंगे मुझे यार, ये बंद हो गया क्यों नहीं, आप कहाँ गए? But yeah, I mean, I'm really thankful and grateful for your love, and I just wish that in my future endeavors also you keep giving me so much love, and I hope you guys also kind of get to do what you like. I do what I like. I do what I love. मतलब मैं acting is not even, मतलब मेरे लिए काम ही नहीं है. इसीलिए होता है ना कि मतलब मैं 2 शोज भी कर रहा था, तो सुबह से रात मुझे रियलाइज भी नहीं होता था. और मैं मस्ती, I would still be the most mischievous person on set after working for 20 hours also in a day, और मुश्किल से 4 घंटे सो के, I would still be the most energetic and most mischievous person on set. That's because it's just that energy. I love it. So yeah, I hope you guys also get the chance to do that in life. And when you do that, you will realize how much fun working is.